Something strange is happening in modern relationships. Couples are breaking up, not because of cheating, not because of money, not even because they fell out of love, but because of something else. Something quiet, something digital, something that doesn't even have a heartbeat. And it's spreading fast. Today we're exposing the new relationship trend that many believe is quietly destroying real love. Over the last few years, more people have started forming deep emotional bonds, not with other humans, but with artificial intelligence, AI companions, AI girlfriends, AI boyfriends. At first it seems harmless, just texting, just late-night conversations, just emotional support. But for many it doesn't stop there. The attachment grows, and slowly, real relationships begin to feel different. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI partners don't argue. They don't criticize your flaws. They don't forget anniversaries. They don't raise their voice. They respond instantly. They validate your feelings. They adapt to your mood. Imagine having a partner who always says the right thing. Now compare that to real love, which requires compromise, patience, conflict resolution. For some people, real relationships start to feel exhausting. When perfection is just one app away. Human love is unpredictable. It challenges you. It forces growth. It exposes insecurities. AI love. It's controlled. You can customize it, shape it, design it. And that's the danger. Because when someone becomes emotionally attached to a partner that never disagrees, they may lose tolerance for real human imperfection. Psychologists warn that over time, this can reduce emotional resilience, increase isolation, create unrealistic expectations. If your digital partner feels easier, your real partner may start to feel replaceable. Here's the question dividing couples right now. If someone shares their deepest thoughts, flirts, seeks comfort, or feels emotionally dependent on AI, is that cheating? There's no physical betrayal, but the emotional intimacy is real. And for many partners, that emotional shift hurts just as much. This isn't just about technology. It's about loneliness. It's about dating fatigue. It's about people feeling unheard, unseen, and emotionally drained. AI didn't create the problem. It exposed it. Because if a machine can make someone feel more understood than their partner, what does that say about modern relationships? So now we ask you, is this just harmless technology? Or is this the beginning of a world where real love slowly gets replaced? Would you ever form a relationship with AI? Or is that crossing a line? Let us know in the comments. Because whether we like it or not, love is changing.